Okay, so for today, I will be going over the objective that reads discuss why transfer of learning is an important concept for motor learning. So, transfer of learning is the influence of the previous experience on a skill that is being currently learned. It can result in three types: so positive, negative, and neutral. I'll be talking about positive first. So, positive transfer occurs when identical elements are shared. So, for instance, if we have someone who plays soccer and would like to go to basketball, there will be a positive transfer of skills. Yeah, positive transfer of skills, specifically cognitive skills, because since soccer and basketball are both invasion sports, the cognitive processes are the same. So that would be a positive transfer. So anything that is learned in soccer, not anything, but the cognitive processes of soccer that are acquired or learned can be used and applied in basketball. So the benefit of this is that we see good performance. Um, and then we have negative transfer, which is considered rare and temporary. So an example of this, using the same scenario that I used, would be, for instance, somebody who has like a soccer background wants to go into basketball, and let's say, and in soccer we use dribble, so like they're dribbling the ball, but obviously they're using their feet. And in basketball, that term is also used. So folks who are transferring their dribbling skills from like soccer to basketball, it's the same, but it's different. So that's what negative transfer is. And there's a phenomenon called unlimited acceleration effect, where characteristic performances are similar, but characteristics are different. So that would be an example. And again, negative transfer is temporary. So the more an individual practices, the more they'll get better, and coaches will use this to push their athletes or whoever they're working with. And three reasons that negative transfer happens. It's mismatch in perception. People tend to overthink, and lastly, there's a competition between how the individual learns versus how they need to learn the task. And then for neutral, obviously, it's zero skills, no change.